Welcome to Us FinTech. Today we're explaining the basics of work-related travel. If your trip is work-related, you may be able to claim it at tax time. Knowing the rules around deductible trips could save you money. The golden rule here is, travel is deductible only if it is required as part of performing your work duties, not just to put you in a position to start work. Deductible travel during the working day. Most deductible trips fall into the category of travel while working or between workplaces. Think of these as the trips that happen after your workday has officially begun. You can claim the cost of trips when you are traveling from your regular workplace to a client's premises and then back to your regular workplace or directly home. This is the most straightforward claimable trip. It is necessary to perform a work duty away from your standard desk between two separate non-home places of employment. For example, if you have two jobs, say, working at a cafe in the morning and then driving to a teaching job in the afternoon, the travel costs between the two workplaces are deductible. To attend work-related conferences, training, or meetings that are away from your regular office location, to run work-related errands, such as going to the post office to mail something for your employer or collecting supplies for the job. The three critical exceptions to the commute rule. The ATO is very strict about the private commute, but there are three limited specific circumstances where you can claim a deduction for a trip between your home and your regular workplace. If you don't meet one of these three tests, you cannot claim the trip. 1. Home is a base of employment. This applies if you are required to start your official duties at home and then travel to your regular workplace to complete duties. If an IT director starts resolving a system breach at home, they must urgently drive to the office to complete the work. That trip can be tax deductible because their job requires it, not just part of their regular commute. 2. Transporting bulky tools or equipment. You can claim the trip only if all these conditions are met. The tools are essential for your work. They are genuinely bulky, meaning they are awkward due to size and weight, and can only be conveniently transported in your vehicle. There is no secure storage provided by your employer at the workplace. You are not transporting them by choice. It must be a practical necessity. 3. Itinerant or shifting places of work. This is for workers whose travel is a fundamental part of their job, such as sales reps, certain tradespeople, or mobile engineers who have a web of workplaces they travel to each day. If you regularly work at multiple sites before returning home, starting the day at Site A and finishing at Site C, the trips are deductible. Always remember to keep detailed records for any claimed travel. Documentation like a logbook or receipts is the non-negotiable proof the ATO requires. Claiming a deduction for a work trip is about proving the travel expense was directly linked to earning your income. Please remember to like and subscribe for more tax tips. You can also connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching.